Hi future doctors, welcome to the next class. In this class we will see relation between gravitational field and gravitational potential. So already we discussed force and energy. F is equal to minus du by dr. While calculating force, F bar is equal to Fxi cap plus Fyj cap plus Fz k cap. How we calculated Fx means Fx is minus dou u by dou x, Fy minus dou u by dou y, Fz minus dou u by dou z. Same like that, gravitational field intensity of gravitational field I is equal to minus dV by dr. So this is the relation between potential and gravitational field intensity. So for this they will write I is equal to Ix I cap plus Iy j cap plus Iz k cap. So in some books they will write Ig also, gravitational field intensity. So for Ix, minus dou v by dou x, Iy minus dou v by dou y, Iz minus dou v by dou z. I hope you understood by taking this equation. So previously we discussed problems in work energy power. They will give potential V is equal to xyz, x square yz, x cube y square z, xy plus yz plus zx. Their wish, that is how they are going to give. Find the gravitational field intensity at 0 comma 0 comma 0, 0 comma 1 comma 1, 0 comma 1 comma 0, 1 comma 1 comma 1. Like this at different points they will ask. So both are going to be discussed, derived, calculated in the same way. So first we will see Ix. So Ix is equal to minus dou v by dou x, minus dou by dou x of, that is called partial differentiation. What is v here? First I am doing this x, y, z, x, y, z. So here x, with respect to x we are doing means y, z remains constant. Y, z, derivative of x, 1, minus. Therefore, this is going to be minus yz. Like that, iy minus dou v by dou y, minus dou by dou y of, what is v? V is nothing but again x, y, z. With respect to y we are doing, therefore xz remains constant. Minus xz, derivative of y is 1. Next, same like this, iz minus dou v by dou z, minus dou by dou z of, again what is v? X, y, z. With respect to z we are doing minus xy, derivative of z is 1. After that you can substitute ix, iy, iz in this equation. So I is equal to gravitational field intensity. What is Ix? Minus yz I cap minus xz j cap minus xy k cap. So after that, if you want to calculate at 0 comma 0 comma 0, all are zeros, you can substitute x, y, z 0, you will get 0. 0 comma 1 comma 1. So x, y, z. So x value is 0. Y, z. Y, z is nothing but minus I cap minus xz. X into z 0. Next y, xy. X into y 0. Therefore, minus I cap. Like this, whenever, wherever you want, you can calculate simply by doing partial differentiation. If you are doing this one, you can see minus dou by dou y of x square yz, x square yz. With respect to I y you are doing, with respect to y you are doing means minus x square z constant, derivative of y is 1. So in this case, minus dou by dou x of x square yz. So with respect to x we are doing yz constant, minus yz, derivative of x square 2x. Therefore 2x yz is ix. Iz minus dou by dou z of. So what is v? X square y, z. With respect to z, you are doing minus x square y constant. Again, ix, iy, iz, you can substitute here. Later, whichever point they're asking, you can substitute their x, y, z. Next, if you want to do this x, y, y, z, z, x, how we will do, we will see. So, this one we are doing now. Ix is equal to minus dou by dou x of xy plus yz plus zx. So first we have to do like this, dou by dou x of xy minus dou by dou x of yz minus dou by dou x of zx. So dou by dou x, with respect to x you are doing, y remains constant, minus y, derivative of x is 1. Next, with respect to x, there is no x here, therefore it is going to become 0. Yz remains constant, derivative of 1 is 0. With respect to x we are doing, so z remains constant, minus z, derivative of x is 1. Therefore, ix is going to be minus y minus z. Next, iy. So minus dou by dou y you will get. For all you will get dou y. So first xy minus dou by dou y. Next yz minus dou by dou y. Last zx. So with respect to y we are doing, therefore x remains constant. Minus x, derivative of y is 1. With respect to y we are doing, z remains constant. Derivative of y is 1. With respect to y we are doing, there is no y. Therefore derivative of constant 0. So minus x minus z. This is iy. So iz, same like this we will do. See, in place of x, yz you got. In place of y, xz you got. Therefore logic you can apply. In place of z, what you are going to get? Minus x minus y, because there is no powers. Whenever powers are there, you should be very careful. Let us assume same question if they gave with x square y, then derivative of x square y with respect to x. If it is coming x square here, 2x you will get. With respect to x, 2x you will get. So like that you have to do. So they will give this v for u people. They will give potential, gravitational potential, and they will ask gravitational field intensity at any point. So if you are able to solve this, you can get one model in your exams, whichever exam you are going to write, isn't it? So already this partial differentiation you are doing second time. In second year also you will get one time. Same like this. Potential they will give, intensity they will ask. What is that potential and intensity? We will see in second year. Already, so we discussed that in electric potential, but first year students don't know. Therefore, practice this more number of times by taking different V's. Then definitely you are going to become perfect. Thank you.